Want to protect people privacy? In this video I'm going to share with you how to pixelate people face so you can protect people privacy. You are a good YouTuber. Let's go. Let me show you what we're going to do. Let's play. Okay, something like that, okay? Pixelate. Okay, I'll do it from scratch so you understand what we're doing. I'll start now. Okay, let's start from scratch. Okay, now what you want to do is go to your plus sign here, right here, and create a main title. Okay, move it up somewhere here, stretch it out. So you want to protect the area that you want to protect people privacy. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to your text. Okay, double tap on it. Text. You want to add a shape, but this is text, right? Okay. So what you do, you toss it out. Boom. Okay, then you add another shape, Okay, that's your shape, and that will protect people. Okay. Now, you want to match the skin, okay? So, reshape it, so it's covered the face, okay? So, change the rotation a little bit, 90 degrees, okay? Expand it out, something like that, right? Okay, next one, you want to change the color, right? Change the color, eyedropper, so something like that, okay? Change it to the skin, okay? Go back, okay. Now, what you want to do now, you want to pixelate it, right? Okay? Now you have that kind of shape, that's totally protect people, but you want to animate or pixelate the pixel, okay? So it's further protect people. Otherwise it looks too plain, okay? We want some motion into it. So that's why we use pixelation. Now go to your color and effects, pixelate, okay? The one with the curve, okay? The icon with the curve like that, okay? Right here. Now go to pixelate, okay? There's a few selection right here. Let's try pixelate 2. Try pixelate 2 right here. It's better, okay? Now with this, right, you need to make an animation. You got to make it move, right? You got to do an animation, okay? So you turn on your keyframe, boom. From there, drag it out to there. So from there, okay? So you make it move. Let it play. Okay, so it moves around a little bit, okay? Now what I really want to do as well, to change the blending mode, okay? The blend mode, okay? To play around with the blend mode, so that will show up, and that's defeat the purpose. But you can play around with whatever blend mode you want to create the look that you want, the look you're after. That's too much, okay? Luminosity sounds good. It still shows people's face, okay? Luminosity, I'll stick with that, okay? But also you can change the opacity, okay? That will show people's face, that will not, okay? So this certainly protect people. You can still see through, but you don't go see through the whole lot. So people's face are protected, okay? Let me play. Okay, that's done. Okay. Now, if you have a moving subject, you can always track it. Okay. So you go to your frame and fit there, turn on keyframe, and you can move it around. Okay. From there, right, I just play around with it. Imagine have a keyframe. Okay. Move it back and forward, span it out a little bit if you want to. Okay. Something like that. Okay. So let's play. So you have a moving subject, you can use the frame and fit and move the box around it, so it's protect people's privacy. That's how simple it is to use a pixelate box pixel to protect people's face. So you can use this on a people's face, number plate, okay, or anything document that is sensitive, passport, bank document, all that stuff, okay. If you want to use this technology to protect people's privacy, this is what you use, okay. It adds some kind of motion to it, okay. It's more fun than just a simply blur. You can use blur as well, but I just show you another techniques, okay, of how to do a pixelation or to protect people's privacy. Now that's how simple it is to protect people's privacy in Lumafusion with pixelation. Okay. Now if you want to change people's voice, check this video out right here where I show you how to change people's voice. Protect people's privacy. Okay. I'll see you next time for another video. Bye.